Bitcoin live update today, April 6th, 2024, around 7:44 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you're hopping on, or whether it's now on the replay, please say hello and let us know where you're coming at us from. I'm just doing my day-to-day looking at Bitcoin and the altcoins, and I'm just sharing with you what I'm learning from the Academy. I put this out on social media specifically because I am a member and an independent business representative of the Academy. And we are looking for other like-minded people who are interested in subscribing to the Academy and learning, whether it's stocks or crypto or whatever you're interested in. If you were a member of the Academy and you went to your back office, this is what you would see right here. You would pick a channel. I'm a member of Stocks and Crypto and Foreign Exchange, right? Now, you can join everything. We have e-commerce, we have social media, personal development, but I'm just going to touch on stocks and crypto just to kind of show you what the live sessions really look like real quick. So you would log into your back office, and whether you wanted to study stocks that day or crypto or both, all sessions, right? And depending on your time frame, I live in Tucson, Arizona, which is the same time as Phoenix. You select your time wherever, if you're in the United States or other countries. And then Sunday through Saturday, we have live education. We have over 100 plus different educators. And believe me, if you're a beginner in Bitcoin or altcoins and learning about all this, you can learn. And I still do follow people on YouTube and I learn from them, but almost all of them have their own paywall, meaning that you got to pay to get the good information, the real stuff, right? Well, with one membership, about $185 US a month, you can have access to all of this, all of these teachers, over 100 different teachers. And you can get on their live sessions. You can ask them questions. You can get involved, and we'll be teammates. You can ask me questions. I'm not an expert, but I have been doing it for about 6 years. So I'd say I'm intermediate. I can definitely help get you started, right? Get you on the ground, get you running. So, all right. So enough on that. If you have enough information to make a decision to just join the Academy, there is a link inside the description of the video. Just go ahead and click it and join. Or if you just want to get more information about this, make sure you subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications, right? So, or if you have any questions about it, just shoot me a text or call me, send me a smoke signal, whatever you have to do. Let's get in touch. Let's get your questions answered, right? Now, this is a tool from the IM Academy called SwipeCoin. There's several tools that they have. The ones I'm currently working with are SwipeCoin, Levels, and Sci-Fi is the new tool that I'm getting into from the Academy. Now, earlier this week, the system SwipeCoin gave us not trading signals, but zones like this right here, break and close above. Look at this. We were traveling around in here, and this was a zone that was given to us. And look at what happened. We went from 66,000 to 69,500 just from the access of the IM Academy, what they gave us. I mean, we didn't even have to even do anything to just follow the system, right? Now, the Sci-Fi also gave some, at the same time, it was given some clear signals on what to do. So a friend of mine, co-IM Academy member, Zion, he took this trade, had a successful trade. I took this trade, had a successful trade. So you'll learn all this stuff in the Academy. But this is a look at Bitcoin on the Sci-Fi. This is a look at Bitcoin on the SwipeCoin. This is really the SwipeCoin, what I feel like is more of a scalper tool, not for everybody. You're really looking at it up and close. Most people that I've met, most people like to just dollar cost average, just buying into things that they believe into, but not this day-to-day stuff, and I can understand that. So you probably want to use Levels, right? So as a just buyer of Bitcoin, I love Levels, Right. So I'm going to back out of here just a little bit and just to zoom out. Sometimes they say, the teachers say, when in doubt, zoom out. Now this is a look at Bitcoin without any tools, just the charts, just the candles. And this is on the weekly time frame. Now, as a beginner, you should know that there's different time frames to look at all things, stocks or crypto. 1 minute, 3 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week. I mean, it's a lot of different ways to analyze our cryptos or our stocks, right? But look at this beautiful chart right here, the weekly chart of Bitcoin. We just recently hit an all-time high, so a lot of us who's been in it for a while are very excited about this. But where do we go from here? If you're just getting into it right now, what do? That's the thing that I feel like that's why you really want to be around the educators, around the academy, because there are constantly, I feel like there are constantly opportunities popping up all the time. There are new projects getting started that you can, we can get a 3x return or a 10x or even a more, 100x. There's all kind of potentials, but how do we find them? I feel like it helps me when I'm around the educators, and they're giving out ideas that they've been thinking about. They've been doing their research, right? But so now let's go ahead and add in these crazy charts right here. I've done some previous analysis. Let's see. I'm gonna bring it down to the 4 hour. It's a little bit. I want to look at it on the 4 hour time frame to kind of get up a little bit close and see what's going on. So I've been looking at, you can kind of see right now, ever since we made this move up right here, we've kind of been just going sideways. Got a little dip right here. Long story short, everybody's trying to go long. And so I feel like they do this downward motion to try to get a lot of people out. And then now they shake people out. It's kind of, in stocks and crypto, it can be very emotional. For example, when trading, I feel like we have to deal with fear, the fear of losing money, and greed. We want to make more money, do this more, right? Well, fear and greed is very common things, and that's what I'm trying to learn. My goal is to learn to trade like a bot, like a computer, and just in and out and no emotion, right? So, and but I feel it sometimes, but I'm trying, but I'm working on it. Sometimes I don't feel it, and I love those times. So, but anyway, these are some zones that I have right here on the 4 hour time frame that I'm looking out for. I may personally, when I do scalp trading, I'm picking Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays to do the majority of it, because those are some good days. Things, when it's the weekends and Friday and Monday, they can have a lot of fast movements that can really take down the best traders. So anyway, so I'm just right now, it's Saturday night. I'm just trying to get, what I'm trying to do right now is just kind of get an idea where I think Bitcoin is heading. And I feel like it's heading in a very good direction. I mean, look at this, and then look at this. I mean, we are up, right? I mean, it is going good. It is going good, right? So I'm all about that, right? So let's take a look at a couple other things. I want to pull up just a few other things. And I'm going to be doing more and more videos on different coins. This is Ethereum. Look at this. This is one of my favorites. It's the #2 digital asset in the space. Look at Ethereum. So right now I'm trying to find some projects, not just to day trade with, but I want to put money in to hold for the long term, right? Ethereum, I'm still very, very excited about Ethereum. However, I do like it better when it's cheaper. I think I put my list together right here of, thought I heard something. I put my list together earlier this year, and look at this. The price was $2,300. Now it's $3,300. Ethereum's gone up $1,000 since I put it on my 2024 list of things to buy in. And I feel like it can still 3-5x from where it's at right now. That's just my perspective, not financial advice. So I feel like we could see a 10 to 15,000 Ethereum someday. So I'm all about dollar cost averaging. Even though these things are up, I feel like Ethereum can still continue to grow. It has a lot of good use case. See, what I feel like is, you may not know this, but when you spend time around the teachers, when you're in the classes, like when you listen to Curtis Cobain's class and he talks about all the benefits of Ethereum and who's building on Ethereum and who's, you just get more confident and you don't mind putting money into something because you believe in the long case use of it. Does that make sense? Can I get a 1 in the comments if that makes sense? So anyway, I believe in this, not financial advice, but it's one that I'm looking at, right? So I'm going to pull up another one that I'm interested in, XRP. And there's a lot of controversial things on XRP, but it is a very interesting project. And if you're around the teachers enough, XRP, yeah, if you're around the teachers enough, you'll know. And that's the thing. So I'm all about dollar cost averaging into XRP, hoping we can get a big return until look at this, previous all-time high, about $1.95. It's currently about almost 60 cents. I'm comfortable putting money into that. But, and realize that, anything can happen in this field. You want to be ready. Oh, that's not what I want to do. I don't want to, shoot. Sometimes I'm just going to open up a new levels. Sometimes when I try to save on top of another chart, I get a little, the charts come out funny. I don't want to mess up my previous charts. So we're looking at XRP, just pulling it back up under a separate thing by itself. So that's what we have right here, XRP. So I'm all about some XRP. All right, let's look at Polkadot. Okay, let's see, Polkadot. I have the charts saved. If you have anything, charts that you'd like me to look at now or in the future, let me know. This is an underestimated project right here. There are a lot of things getting built on this. I love the price that it is right now, $8.50. Previous all-time highs, right around $55. So once things get cranked up in the bull market, I can see Polkadot going above its previous all-time high. I can see that happening. Let's log back in. No big deal. So I'm up for dollar cost averaging into some Polkadot. Anybody familiar with that? Polkadot. So now let's look at, how about, do we have some Solana? Can I get a look at that? Yes. Wow, this thing has really popped off. All these things, you can go back and look at the beginning of January. I made a lot of calls and some suggestions. So since January, it's gone from $97 to $180, and a lot of educators believe that it has a lot of room to go. So this will be interesting. I'm all about that. Let's take a look at, see, I have to do this anyway, so thank you for letting me share. I have to review all these. I don't like doing it blindly. I like going over the charts, looking at them, review them. This is Cardano. This is another one that I'm excited about dollar cost averaging into. It's currently about 58 cents per coin. Previous all-time high, over $3. We have some room to grow. This is an interesting project. The teachers, the educators are behind it. And I am very comfortable dollar cost averaging into this project, not financial advice. I'm going to look up some Chainlink. Come on, Chainlink. Where's my link? Link. Okay. See how everything's bumped ever since the 1st of January when I made a lot of these calls. Link was around $15. Now it's at $17. I'm glad that it hasn't exploded. Now it gives us more time to buy in. I am a buyer of Link at this price. That's just me, not financial advice. All right, not financial advice. I am a buyer. I'm going to personally be dollar cost averaging into this project. Can I get some poly? Let's see here. Some Polygon, some Matic. It's called Matic. It's called Polygon. This project I'm also excited about, and we have a lot of room to grow. The teachers say we want to buy in the red, sell in the green, right? Buy in the red, sell in the green. We're in the red here. I'm loving Matic. Right? Let's see. Can I pull up? I wanted to show you on a different chart. This is Phantom, another project, not a main cap coin, but I've had great success on that one. I'm a buyer of that. And let's see, do I have any other? I'm really going through the main cap coins right now. I would like to find if I have it in this chart file here. Cosmos, that may be it off this list. I'll pull up a couple other things like Quant. I'm all about Quant. All right, let's see here. Phantom, all about Phantom. Let's see here. CRV, not so sure. Link, ADA, XLM, Algo. Yes, these are all things that I feel good about dollar cost averaging into. Same thing here. Look at this little boost we've had since the first of the year. Right here. Boom. So we've gone from $6 to $11 on Uni. Wow. So there's lots of room, lots of projects. And remember, I'll leave us with this. CoinGecko. Look how many coins we have to choose from. 13,000 plus coins across 1,000 plus exchanges with a market cap of over 2 trillion market cap. Our educators believe that there are a lot of things happening right now that not everybody knows about. Have you heard about the Bitcoin halving, right? If you're in the Bitcoin, you have, it's coming up soon. And what that means is there's going to be less supply in the future. Plus, you have a lot of the brokerage firms like Fidelity and BlackRock, and a lot of people are putting a percentage of their retirement savings into cryptocurrency, and it's going to be, so they feel like there's this wall of money coming to this industry once we get better regulated. The good and the bad of it is it's not quite regulated like it should be. And there's questions and there's debates about should it be, how much should it be regulated? That's why you kind of got to get in there and hear the instructors and get a feel for what your opinion is about it, right? But the thing is once a lot of these things get settled, a lot of the experts do believe that there is a wall of money that we could experience a market cap right here. This market cap says 2.71 trillion could rise to 10 to 20 trillion. And where are you going to be when this happens? If maybe you don't need to participate, maybe you don't need to grow your money, but a lot of us do. So with the market cap that's going to go from 2 trillion, almost 3, to 10 plus trillion, there's a lot of opportunity here. The main reason I'm putting this out to you is that I want to share with you about the IM Academy. I'm a representative of the Academy. We have over 100 different educators that can teach you, and you can spend time with them in the classes. You can ask them questions one-on-one, and all you have to do is click the link inside the description, join the Academy, and you're in. It's very simple. So if you have enough information to make that decision, $185 decision, please consider going ahead and joining the Academy. Or if you have a question, just message me. Send me a smoke signal. Whatever you have to do. Let's get your question answered. Let's get moving because time is a wasting. Time is a wasting. So I will leave you with this. If you had the Academy and you had access to SwipeCoin, this proprietary tool, SwipeCoin, gave us the signal. That's what I love about this. It really helps you. It laid it out there, right there for you. And then we have each other to collaborate with. I have a lot of friends inside the IM Academy that you'll get to know, and we can trade and bounce ideas off each other. So if you have any questions, please message me, send me a smoke signal, whatever you have to do. But this is all about what's best for you. What are your goals, right? If you feel like the Academy can assist you to achieve your goals, then please go ahead and join the Academy or reach out to me if you have questions about it. I'm gonna leave you there. Let's have a rocking year this year, looking for the best. And remember, I'll leave you with this: health is wealth, cash flow is king, cash is queen, and credit is freedom. Did you get that? Health is wealth. Without our health, what do we have, right? Cash flow is king. Not just having cash on hand. I want you and we want to have cash flow, right? So health is wealth, cash flow is king, cash is queen, and credit is freedom. Think about it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.